Hello to everybody. My name is Maurizio Cecchi from Telecom Italia. I'm the coordinator of FI, that is the infrastructure supporting the whole program. And as said by Juanjo especially, is building all the capacities, the tools, then to federate all the infrastructure that would like to be involved in the building of the program, and especially all the instantiation of all the FI labs in different countries of Europe. So what we did, we started to build this infrastructure from 5 core nodes. We federated this, and now is in the process of enlarging this federation of infrastructure supporting the program. This federation is based on data center, traditional data center that are offering computational capacity, storage capacity, connectivity to smart cities and other users, and is connected in a very speed high 1 gigabit network supported by the European research network GEAN. What does it mean? That a smart city that would like to utilize what Juanjo has been presented, so the specific components or the environment where to build new service, new application, can go not through a common portal and then find the right infrastructure that is useful for their service, their application. Typically, the smart cities, I mean the public authorities, would say no cities, regions, have certain infrastructure available in one side, other infrastructure working with different standards and protocols, needs then common approach then to develop the really smart services, the one that were mentioned by Juanjo, but typically that are the services built in the smart cities environment. So through this network, they will be able to take what they need. They can, for instance, if they want to compare what they are doing in terms of transfer and connection of certain contents on education, on transport, whatever they want, toward another cities, they can go there and then utilize what is needed for them. There is a specific marketplace to do this, and they can go directly, free of charge, to utilize this. So what does it mean? That through the system, and it's a unique system, is a system built by FiWare, Sci-Fi, in different environments, they can go and take whatever they need from the platform. And so then what they can do, not only grab specific components useful for their application, but can go there and then be part of the federation. So the FIOps set of tools that was mentioned by Juanjo means this, that a city is not a passive user of something that is in a portal outside somewhere, but is the possibility to go there, be part of the federation, and there are a specific set of tools that enable the cities to be part of the systems, not so only take and download whatever is needed, but go use it and monitoring the use of the platforms. So they will become part of this cloud. There are tools for the deployment of the cloud, then become a member of the federation, and so monitoring the different level of service in the federation. They can connect in the network, so they can use also this capacity that is a very high capacity all through Europe, and then register and deploy all the services that are needed, including the specific technological component that are part of it. So it means that a city manager or a region manager that would like to use the program can go inside, be part of the federation, utilize all the capacities to build whatever is needed to build there. And as far as we know, there is not such a European network capable to do this at the present. And by the way, now, as I show to you, there are 17 nodes that are in the network, but we are planning some training session for the new cities or new users, new infrastructure that want to become part of the federation. At the end of June, on the 26th and 27th of June in Madrid, there will be a session open, and we have already candidates from new infrastructure that will come, of course, in this case, without specific funding, but they will have all the tools and the capacities to enter the network. Of course, this helps the city manager, but helps also all the service providers, the developers, because in this way they can go there through a unique system, compare, browse, and access in a transparent way all the offer, leverage of this set of infrastructure, have an easy access and management of the monitoring of the services, and so they can focus on their specific task application, not taking care of the problem that is behind there. And they will have support and services at any time. So they will can ask directly support if something is not working, because each of the nodes that are part of the federation provides this support and services. And of course, they can, for local authorities, they can build their services. For a team manager, there is also a cost reduction in then the building of their citizens. And of course, for all the public service servants and service provider, they can create with a much more solid and stronger capacity whatever they have in mind to build. That is basically a summary of the offers that comes from the FI-Ops part. Thank you.